But you know what? You had so many people over here that if I didn't have all these, we wouldn't have had enough. No. Because we did not have very much left over. A lot. We had very little. I don't know, we had very little food left over, other than that cake. I think we had one sub or a half a sub left. Right, and then that last sub. But I can make much food. We had that much food.
John didn't even know it was still right.
I think we have. Subs and those things and salad, chips. I mean, not chips or anything.
Does it go away when you're right there?
Yeah,
Sort of, not really.
I sat right there tapping on the window, and it flew to the thing, and it'd fly back. I'd tap on the window.
I don't think he can hear you.
Is it sitting right in your face?
Open the window.
I did that too, and it would. It doesn't even scare them. They're psycho. Watch, just watch. It'll probably come back.
No, let him land on it, and then.
It will.
Where is the female? There's a blue jay. The other jay.
Yeah, it's not even scared. What's wrong with them?
Are you sick, Mr. Birdie?
Well, it's the female too.
Mr. Birdie? Yeah, but that's female. I don't know.
Doesn't know.
Just sitting there?
I know, they don't even know what to do.
It's crazy.
Think they'll fly away if I go out there, I think?
Go away. Go away.
We're gonna go out there for the way.
Oh, Adam, don't. Amber wants a picture.
Fine, get a picture. Hurry up.
Oh, I'm videoing it. I've never been that close.
Why don't you wait, Amber?
Well.
It'll probably come to here if you quit scaring it.
But see, look at it. It's just like.